Today is May 3rd and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad just opened at Magic Kingdom for the first time in like a year and a half. We happen to be here, so we're gonna go try to jump in line and ride it. Looking forward to it. Zach, you looking forward to it?
Yes.
All right, let's go ride Big Thunder. All right, we are in line. It says it's about 65 minutes. We've already been in line for about 15 minutes. So we'll see if we get up there and hopefully maybe another 40, 45 minutes and we'll be on the ride. Okay, is it smooth inside? Yeah. That was so fun. All right, so we rode Big Thunder Mountain Railroad after being closed for almost a year. Some of the things we noticed, a lot of just cleanup in the queue, some new artwork, looked really great. The new track was amazing, really smooth. The scene was really cool, the new scene. So if you, hopefully you saw that. If you didn't, well, go back and watch the video again. All in all, thought it was a really good improvement. Looking forward to riding it again. See you next time.